While AI agents dominate today's headlines, it's often traditional machine learning that quietly powers the backbone of enterprise AI, driving everything from fraud detection and demand forecasting to churn prediction and supply chain optimization. But despite years of investment, many organizations still struggle to get ML models into production, held back by siloed teams, inconsistent tooling, and slow, fragile development cycles. Hi, I'm Christian from Dataiku, the universal AI platform. We help organizations quickly build and deploy machine learning models. With AutoML, teams can experiment fast, without writing code. And for advanced users, we offer powerful code-first tools that make it easy to handle complex tasks like feature engineering, model selection, and training. With everything from visual machine learning to ML ops, plus built-in infrastructure to scale workloads efficiently, Dataiku helps teams move faster at every stage of the ML lifecycle. Here's what this looks like in action. Rapid model development. Quickly prototype and build sophisticated models like advanced time series forecasting using visual tools with full transparency and explainability. Comprehensive feature engineering. Accelerate feature creation with a built-in feature store that makes it easy to discover, reuse, and manage feature sets. Robust validation and diagnostic. Evaluate model performance with tools like k-fold cross-validation, stress testing, bias detection, and interactive reports. Scalable infrastructure. Easily run large computation and model training jobs with on-demand resources powered by Spark and Kubernetes across any cloud. Dataiku handles everything behind the scenes with pre-configured, fully managed clusters, so your data science team can focus on building models, not managing infrastructure. With nearly 2/3 of CEOs saying their boards demand measurable AI-driven results, the pressure to move from models to real impact has never been greater. That's where Dataiku delivers. Models built in Dataiku can be directly called by AI agents, turning predictions into immediate actions and closing the gap between data science and business results. Let's take a look at a real-life example. In an anti-money laundering workflow, an AI agent powered by a model built in Dataiku scores alerts and identifies the ones most likely to be true positives. It then takes the highest priority alerts, writes a concise and clear report explaining why they were flagged, and sends it directly to the investigator. That's the power of building everything in one place. Deeper insights, faster decisions, and outcomes that move your business forward. Ready to bring your analytics, machine learning, and agent strategies under one roof? Let's make it happen. Book a demo today and see Dataiku in action. Want to learn more? Check out our videos to see how Dataiku helps businesses scale AI, including how our ML Ops solutions let you manage your entire AI portfolio from one platform. From clean data to production-ready models, Dataiku powers the engine behind real AI impact.